Welcome. This is my first video back from my break from with my prayer and fasting. All the other videos, except the driving one, I did that one on Sunday. So, welcome to all my new family members. We're going to make, I'm going to do my sourdough starter. It'll be a quick video, but this is the starter that I prefer and makes the best sourdough French bread. So come join me. Okay, this is really easy. I got my jar. You can do it in a bowl, whatever you like. But I've got my, I'm going to start with 2 cups of warm water. And it's got to be warm. Okay, then I am going to add 1 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. I'm going to mix, just going to mix that up a little bit here. I want it to get dissolved. Now I've had other sourdough starters, and this one is the one that works really well for me. I have a really good recipe for sourdough French bread, and this one is it. Now I'm going to mix 2 cups of flour, and I use all-purpose flour, but I suppose you could use whole wheat. Most sourdoughs are with whole wheat, but my French bread is with white flour, so I'm using this. If I make sourdough bread, I can add the whole wheat flour later. Now I'm just going to mix this up really good. Just make sure that I get all the lumps out of it. Okay, that's good and mixed up. That's all there is to it. I mean, really, that was so easy, right? Now I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap. And I'm going to leave it in a warm place, like on my countertop. And every day for 6 days, well, every day for 5 days, and the 6th day I'll stir it. But I will stir it every day. That's all I have to do to it. It's so easy. Just stir it. And then on day 6, I will take a cup out of it. And I can use that to bake with, or you can discard it. But there's a lot of things you can do with the discard. And then I will, I will add to that. Once I take the cup out of it, I will add 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of warm water, and stir it really good. And then I can put it in the refrigerator after that. And when you use it, you just want to take it out of the refrigerator to get to room temperature. And then every time you take out, you want to add back, like take out 1 cup of sourdough. You want to add back 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of warm water. And it's as simple as that. And I will put that in the description too. Hey, that's it. Thanks for joining me. See you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.